Rams. Behind me we have a 2015 Ram 1500. Let's take a look. Front, you do have your chrome bumper, your chrome grille, and under the hood there is the 3.0 liter turbo EcoDiesel. Back, you do have your backup camera, your 4 and 7 pin wiring, and in the box there is the spray and box liner. Inside you do have heated cloth seats, you have a heated steering wheel, you have your 8-speed e-transmission, you've got your trailer brake, you have the 8.4-inch screen, the 115-volt house plug, as well as your 12-volt plug down here. You have 2 glove boxes, so it's got some storage, as well as your middle console. You have your universal garage door opener, your power sliding rear window, your mirrors are power folding, and let's take a look in the back. Your seats do fold up and fold out for flat storage. You have your 12-volt plug-in back here, as well as a couple cup holders and tons of storage. All of our used vehicles here do go through a full AMVIC inspection by our journeyman technicians. If you'd like to see 30+ pictures of this vehicle, click the link below. If you have any questions on any other vehicle,